Tacoma Dome. There's my bridge. I love that bridge. Go down there a lot, down underneath where the boats are and stuff. There's a pretty park. There's a couple of parks down there. You can see it a little bit. And then you have the glass museum here. So up here, and then you can go off to the, there it is. Oh. Yeah. It's another bridge. This is my, where I go to do my Stairmaster. The elevator and the stairs there. The old paper mill used to be over here, huh? Look at that way. Reconciliation Park down here. Right down there. And then over there is a lighthouse. Yeah, did you see the light?
Oh, I did.
Yeah, I got it in right there. Pretty. What's that? This is a lot different from when I was a kid. But this is the Tacoma waterfront. See these right up there. Out to the sea, the Salish Sea. Commencement Bay right here. See, there's nobody out. 6:27 a.m. and it's rainy and it's a Saturday morning, so most people are probably sleeping at this time, but it's nice because you can come out and take a drive with the views and everything. Traffic is clear. To Katy Downs. love this dock here. This is nice to go out and fish on too. They've been replacing the piers and docks that are disintegrating. They just built a town in the middle of a city in a matter of years, a couple years. There used to be an old arsenic.
Copper.
Yeah, copper smelter plant. And up here used to be a large smokestack. And down here was the plants. But they took it out, replaced all the dirt and land and developed it. And now they have the high-priced condominiums and hotel. They have a doctor's office down there, a little market, movie theater. They have just everything that a little town would have, basically. All in this little area. So street tacos. They do have their street tacos there. The pool at the top up there. They have their swimming pool up here. This park is so pretty. They call this Dune Peninsula at Point Defiance Park. Look at all the boats on this side over here. The Puget Sound or the Salish Sea Commencement Bay. It has quite a few names for this waterway here. but they just recently changed it from Puget Sound to the Salish Sea. But slow down, stop right there. Stop. Look at who we have here. Oh, hello. He's just hanging out. What a beautiful bird, huh? Look at that.